See, next one is the sixth problem. If 3x plus 4y plus k equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16, then find the value of k. Here the condition for a straight line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 be a tangent to a circle x square plus y square is equal to r square is n equal to plus or minus r square root of l square plus m square. So note, if a straight line lx plus my plus n equal to 0 be a tangent to a circle x square plus y square equal to r square, then n equal to plus or minus r square root of l square plus m square. Like that, here he has given a one line and a one circle, then find the value of k. So here line equation is 3x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus k equal to 0 is a straight line and circle is x square plus y square equal to r, y square equal to 16. This can be written as x square plus y square equal to 4 whole square, right? So then straight line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is a tangent to a circle of x square plus y square equal to r square. The condition is n equal to plus or minus r square root of l square plus m square. So substitute the values in that formula, we can get the value of k. Now n equal to, here k equal to plus or minus r equal to 4 square root of, this is x square plus y square is equal to r square form. So this is r, l square 3 whole square plus m square 4 whole square, which is equal to plus or minus 4 square root of 25 equal to plus or minus 20. K equal to plus or minus 20 is right answer. Next problem, seventh one, in that parametric equations of the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to 9 are x is equal to 1 plus 3 cos theta and y equal to minus 2 plus 3 sin theta. Parametric equation of a circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square having theta or parameter, then x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to r k plus r sin theta. We have to discuss about this. So important thing. So parametric equation form of a line, parametric equation form of a circle is x minus h parametric equation form of a circle is x minus h all square plus y minus k all square equal to r square, having theta are parameters, or x is equal to x plus r cos theta, y equal to h plus r cos theta. This is h plus r cos theta, y equal to k plus r sin theta, k plus r sin theta. These are the parameters of a circle. So here the parametric equations of a circle here asked, he has given one equation x minus given x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to 9. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. The parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Try to find the value of r here. R is equal to r square equal to 9, then r equal to 3. Here h and k values. H is equal to 1 and k is equal to minus 2, because which was already existed in the form of x minus k h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, comma r equal to 3. Now parametric equations are x equal to h plus r cos theta, parametric equation form of a circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square is parametric equations are x equal to h plus r cos theta, so 1 plus 3 cos theta and y equal to k plus r sin theta, so minus 2 plus 3 sin theta. Theta is a parameter here, right? So here 1 plus 3 cos theta and minus 2 plus 3 sin theta, both are correct, so option number 1. Now next one, see next problem. Equation of the tangent at a point x1 y1 to the circle s equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is s1 is equal to 0 and s1 is equal to, we know that, then the equation of the tangent at a point to the circle, equation of the tangent at a point to the circle, at a point to this circle. Here 3 are in same process, so we'll explain one, remaining 2 do it as homework. Now we are going to explain about 8th one. The 8th one is Here the equation of the tangent at a point, the point is minus 1 comma 1. Given point minus 1 comma 1, and circle is x square plus y square minus 6x, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This is a circle equation. We have to find the equation for tangent. Circle and tangent. General equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then its tangent to a point, suppose x1 y1 equal to s1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0, x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus y into f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Equation of the tangent, is s1 equal to 0. So now s1 x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0, right? So x into minus 1 and plus y into 1 plus g into x minus 1 plus f into y plus 1, and then c is minus 12 here, right? C is minus 12. So minus x plus y and then g. So we have to find the values of g and f also at the same time. Z equal to minus 3 comma f equal to 2. So substitute the values here. Z equal to minus 3. G is equal to minus 3 and f equal to 2. Minus 3 plus 2. So y minus 3x plus 3 plus 2y plus 2 minus 12 equal to 0. So minus x plus y, and then which becomes minus 4x, this is, and then y is equal to 3y plus 3y, and then now going to be simplified constants. So which is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 is the tangent equation of a circle from the given point, right? 4x plus 3y minus 7 plus 7 equal to 0. Next, 9th and 10th. 9th and 10th both are same process. Do it as homework. These two are homework. Next, next one. So 11th one. So 11th one is find the length of the tangent. Length of the tangent. S is equal to equation of a circle. General equation of a circle is is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, the length of the tangent is square root of S11. So S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, right? Match the following. Length of the tangent from the point 3, 4 to the circle x square plus y square minus 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 is. So length of the tangent formula is root of S11. Now first one, we'll say the first one, and then third one. I mean to say B and D are homework. This is homework for, right? A in 11th. Length of the tangent from the point is 3, 4. Length of the tangent from the 3, 4 to the circle, given point 3, 4, and circle is what is the circle here? X square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. For this, length of the tangent is s square root of S11. So length of the tangent equal to root of S11, which is equal to, see, S11 is equal to, we know that x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, that is S11. So which is equal to square root of x1 square 3 whole square, y1 square 4 whole square minus 2gx1 minus 2g is minus 3, x1 is 3, and then 2f minus 4, y1 4, and then c. So square root of 9 plus 16 minus 9 minus 16 plus 1. So which is equal to root of 1. So which is equal to 1. Alright, length of the tangent is equal to 1. Right? Next, in that, see, the length of the tangent from the point to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus k equal to 0 is equal to 2, then find the value of k. See, point is given point and the circle. Now the circle is see, given point is minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1, and circle is x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 4x plus k equal to 0, and length of the tangent is also given here, that is equal to 2. Length of the tangent also given here, which is equal to 2. Now 2 equal to square root of x1 square plus, so length of the tangent is equal to square root of s11 now. So x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So x1 square minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square 2gx1, so minus 4 into minus 1, and then y is not here, then I mean to say 2fy not here, plus k implies 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus k, which is equal to root 6 plus k is equal to 2. That implies 6 plus k is equal to 4. So implies k is equal to minus 2. K equal to minus 2. Right? Remaining D also same process. Do it as work. Next one. Now next one. Here 12th one, if x equal to 3 plus 2 cos theta, y equal to 5 plus 2 sin theta, then the locus of the point xy is the circle with center and radius is. Here center and radius, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is a circle equation. Then the parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. X is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is a given circle. Then parametric equations, x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta, right? Like that, here we have to find the center and the here center and the radius. Let us decide what is the center of a circle here. The center of a circle is given x equal to 3 plus 2 cos theta, y equal to 5 plus 2 sin theta, 5 plus 2 sin theta. Here h is equal to x plus we know that the point is h comma k. X equal to 3 plus 2 cos theta, y is equal to 5 plus 2 sin theta. So here we have to find center and radius. H is equal to, compare these two equations, H is equal to 3 comma K is equal to 5 comma R is equal to 2. Therefore 3 comma 5 and R equal to 2. 3 comma 5 and R equal to 2. Next one. The length of the tangent from 0 comma 5 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus y plus 1 equal to 0. These two, how will be? The length of the tangent, we have to find the length of the tangents of the two circles, then we have to compare that. So length of the tangent from a point to the given circle is root of S11. Find the two root of S11 ones. Then we can decide which are in which ratio. See, now 13th one. 13th is point given point 0 comma 5 and circles, or what are the circles here? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Yes. And then x square plus y square minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now find the length of the tangent for circle 1 and find the length of the tangent for circle 2. Length of the tangent for circle 1 length of the tangent L1, length of the tangent L1 equal to square root of, the point is same, x1 square, so 0 plus 5 square, 0 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 0 and then minus 4, which is equal to square root of 25 minus 4 is equal to 21. Length of the tangent L2, length of the tangent L2, square root of L2 is square root of x1 square, so 0 square plus 5 square minus y, that is, so minus of minus 5, minus of only 5 plus 1, square root of 25 plus 1, 26 minus 5 is equal to 21. So those are in equal ratio. Those are in. So length of the tangents implies L1 is equal to L2. Therefore, length of the tangents are equal. Length of the tangents are equal. Next, 14th one, the equation of the normal to the circle at point is given. The equation of the normal to the circle, yesterday we done one problem like this. X minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to 0. Note, equation to the normal of a circle at a point is equation to the normal of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to 0. Let us solve the problem using this formula. 14th one. Equation of the normal to the circle, given circle and given point. Given circle is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Point 1 comma minus 2. Equation of the normal to the given circle is x minus x1, and y1 plus f. Let us find the values of here f and g. f is equal to 3 comma g is equal to 2, right? F is equal to 3 and g is equal to 2, and y1 plus f, this is g is equal to 3 and f is equal to 2. So y1 plus f is 2 now, plus 2 minus y minus y1, minus of minus becomes plus, and then x1 is 1 plus g is 3 equal to 0. Now totally vanish this one, x1 minus plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So 0 minus 4y plus 8 minus of 4y plus 8 equal to 0. That implies y plus 2 equal to 0. But given here that is y minus 4 is equal to 0, that is wrong. So this is correct. Therefore equation of the normal to the given circle, therefore equation of the normal to the given circle is y plus 2 equal to 0, right? So next thing, the locus of the point of intersection of the lines is a circle of radius is. Locus of the point of intersection of the lines, x sin theta plus y cos theta equal to a, x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to b for various values of theta is a circle of radius. We have to find the radius, intersection point of the radius. Next thing, parametric equations are given. See, given lines are now 15th one, given lines are x sin theta plus y cos theta, x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to a, and x cos theta minus y sin theta minus y sin theta equal to b is a circle of radius. Is a circle of radius. See, let us squaring on both sides implies x sin theta plus y cos theta equal to a whole square, and x cos theta y sin theta whole square. Now x square sin square theta plus 2xy sin theta cos theta plus y square cos square theta and equal to a square. Now this becomes, suppose this is 1, which becomes second one, x square cos square theta minus 2xy cos theta sin theta plus y square sin square theta equal to b square. Suppose 2. Let them add. 1 plus 2 we get x square sin square theta plus cos square theta, and then plus 2xy sin theta cos theta minus 2xy sin theta cos theta, both get cancelled. Then y square cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to a square plus b square. A square plus b square. So x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. This can be written as x square plus y square equal to square root of a square plus b square whole square, right? Which is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square. You need a radius, therefore r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Clear? The next one, the equation of the tangent to circle at a point is, so we have to find the circle equation like this, and then length of the tangent, equation of the tangent to a circle at a point is, and tangent equation also we have to find, and that is in the form of whatever he given that, and then find the value of p and q. Let us do that one also. See the next problem. First of all, we find the value of a equation of a circle. Then after equation to circle, equation of tangent to a circle from a certain point. These two we have to find. After that, whatever the equation you got, with the help of the point, I mean to say whatever the equation, that equation is tangent equation to a given circle. That form here he has given here px plus qy plus r is equal to 0. Then what is the value of p and q? Right? Let us see. 16th. Lines of given lines. Lines are x equal to 3 plus 5 cos theta, comma y equal to minus 1 plus 5 sin theta, and also point is 0, 3. Now same process, which can be written as x minus 3 equal to 5 cos theta, comma y plus 1 equal to 5 sin theta. Y plus 1 equal to 5 sin theta. Now squaring on both sides of two lines, x minus 3 whole square, 5 cos theta whole square, y plus 1 whole square, 5 sin theta whole square. So x square minus 6x plus 9, 25 cos square theta, y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to 25 sin square theta. Suppose this is 1 and then this is 2. 1 plus 2. We get 1 plus 2. We get x square minus x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 25 cos square theta, y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 25 sin square theta. Adding here, it becomes x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y plus 10 equal to 25 cos 25 common, 25 cos square theta plus 25 sin square theta, 25 as common, cos square theta plus sin square theta, which becomes 25 cos square theta plus 25 sin square theta, which is equal to 25 cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 25. So implies x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y minus 15 equal to 0 is equation of a circle. Now equation of the tangent to the circle is S1 equal to 0. Now equation to the tangent. Now equation to the tangent from given point is 0, 3, right? Is S1 equal to 0, implies S1 xx1 plus yy1 plus g into what is g? What is g equal to -3 and f equal to 1, comma c is equal to -15. See, xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus y f into f is 1 y plus y1 plus c, which is equal to -15 equal to 0. So 3y minus 3x plus y plus 3 minus 15 equal to 0, which is equal to minus 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0, implies 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0, which is in the form of px plus qy plus r equal to 0, which has given according to the problem. According to the problem, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Now he needs the value of p and q's sum. Here p is 3 and q is -4. Their sum is p plus q equal to 3 minus 4 equal to -1. Therefore p plus q is equal to -1. Right? Next one.